Well, there's only one reason why you clicked on this video, and that's because you got stream delay and you need my help. Don't worry, I got you. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am Gen X, and here in today's video, I'm going to be helping you all out with that stream delay you've got going on. Having stream delay can be a huge headache. Nothing is worse than trying to have a conversation with your chat and them having to wait 10 to 15 seconds to hear your response. Most of them don't want to stick around that long, especially if they're new to your channel and they're saying hello for the first time and they have to wait for 15 seconds for a response. Believe me, they won't be there. So here in this video, I'm going to take a quick minute and break it down for you and show you how to fix it. If this video helps you out at all, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel. Also, you can leave a comment in the comment section below. It helps my videos grow, and I really do appreciate it. All right, let's show y'all how to do this. All right, to get started, go ahead into OBS Studio and click File, and then select Settings. Once your settings is open, go ahead and click on the Advanced tab. Here on the Advanced tab, you're gonna scroll down until you see Stream Delay. Here on Stream Delay, you're gonna click Enable. Once it's enabled, you're gonna set the duration to 1 second. And then here on Preserve Cutoff Point, go ahead and turn that off. What this does is set your stream delay to 1 second, which is a good thing because your natural stream delay is anywhere between 5 and 20 seconds long. Setting it to 1 second is the best optimal setting in OBS Studio that you could possibly have. Once you have your stream delay set, go ahead and click on the Output tab. Here on the Output tab, we're going to be concentrating on rate control and bitrate. Under rate control, make sure that you're set on constant bitrate. It's the best option for you no matter what the speed of your internet. And then here on bitrate, if you've got a fast internet, you want to set it at 7,500 kilobytes per second. Twitch maxes out at 8,000 kilobytes per second, which means that you need to leave room for audio kilobytes per second. If you set this at 8,000, your audio is going to end up generating at least 200, which is going to put you over 8,000. That's going to generate stream delay. Also, if Twitch catches you going over 8,000, they're going to throttle you back down to 7,200, and your stream quality is going to be garbage. If you have a bad internet, just set your bitrate to 4,500 kilobytes per second. That's enough to keep your stream going at a decent quality and keep your stream delay at a minimum. If you're unsure of your internet speed, just go ahead and do a speed test. Go into your browser, type speed test, and then click Start here under internet speed. It only takes a couple seconds. When it's done with the speed test, it'll show your results below. We're going to be concentrating on your upload speed here. Keep in mind, if you're sharing the internet in your house, that you have to divide this upload speed in half, or even by 3 times if you have 3 other people in the house using the internet at the same time as you. If nobody else is using the internet, then this upload speed is all yours. Once you have your upload speed, you could better understand how fast your internet is and what you need to be setting your bitrate at. Like I said, 7,500 max, 4,500 at a minimum, and anything in between. You might have to mess with it just to get it right. And one last thing that you could do if you're streaming on Twitch, click the Stream tab, and down here you can select Ignore Streaming Service Setting Recommendations. This will allow you to set your bitrate higher than 6,000. Again, don't go over 8,000. Twitch will throttle you back down below 720, and you will experience high stream delay. Well, that's it, everybody. It's as easy as that to fix a stream delay on your OBS Studio. Again, if this video helped you out at all, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel. I appreciate every single one of you. Thanks for checking out the video. We'll see y'all next time. And remember, don't be toxic. Spread positivity.